So here you can see that I'm already in a video call, and if you want to send a message while you're in a call, then you can go over here on the bottom left where you can see the message icon. So once you click on it, what happens is that you can just send a message. Let's say, for example, I want to say hi. So I'm just going to say hi right here, and the message is sent. So the other person will be able to view the message just like this. As you can see, it'll pop up on their screen and disappear. But if you want to see the old messages, you can just see messages right here, and there's a little chat box that appears just like that. So they can say hi just like that, and then it appears right here. If you were to hide the message and if you were to say hi from the other account, then it'll appear as a pop-up right over there. So I'm just going to go around, type in hi there from the other account, and this is how it pops up and it disappears in a while. So the messages that you see here are just here. It is not there in the conversation window. So if I were to go over here onto this account right here, you can see that the messages are not here. The messages that you send during a video call just stays right here, and when you end the video call, the messages are gone. So that is how it actually works. But if you want to send a message while you're in a video call, then this is an effective way to do so. So hope you guys learned something as always, and as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.